guys, welcome to Sugar Allen's Travel Channel. Today we're giving you a room tour of Ovation of the Seas. This is room 7582. It is a balcony room. There's my assistant Shug.
Hi.
Hi. All right, let's start off here. This is for your assembly station B2. Gives you your instructions there. You've got the thermostat here, digital, well, part of it, digital LCD screen, but you can obviously raise and lower the temperature. This is the type where you need a key card in there in order to activate the lights, but they have that card in there for you already, so you can turn the lights on. As soon as you come in, you've got your restroom. Normal, average size restroom. Hello. You've got your sink, a fair amount of counter space there. Some storage to put your goodies on. Got a little bit of storage down there if you want to use that. Extra toilet paper, your toilet. No dreaded shower curtain on this guy. It's just beautiful. You've got your 2-in-1 hair wash and body wash and the usual removable shower head. Nice size shower. I'm a fluffy guy, fitting there comfortably. Coming out of there, you got a full-size mirror. Excuse the decorations. It's our anniversary cruise.
It's our anniversary.
It's our anniversary. You've got a power outlet there on this side of the bed, not the other side.
Okay, then also above the bed, you're going to have some extra storage space on both sides. And then over here, you do have your phone, but it does not have the USB. So,
Good information.
Yes. Then you have a closet on both sides of the bed, but this side is where the safe is, and then you have a couple of drawers at the bottom.
All righty. Good size TV there.
It does not swivel or pull out from the wall.
Yeah, it does not move. It's stationary.
Okay, then make our way over here. You have your little desk area with your light switches for the vanity mirror.
Yeah, we got 2 US outlets, 1 European, and 2 USB ports to charge. Very good.
Right here, you have a coffee maker or tea, coffee, tea.
Coffee, tea,
yeah.
maybe hot chocolate in there? Probably not.
And then this top drawer, you have your hair dryer, which is standard in every room. You also have your cooler.
Okay. All right.
And then a couple of more drawers here.
And then we got a nice sofa behind you. You can sit and relax, open the door maybe, and feel that cool Alaska air. Again, this one's considered an obstructed balcony, so probably because that lifeboat is down there, so you don't get a complete view of the ocean below, but still an awesome view, a great view. And with our chairs here, you have a little pull out there to rest your legs on. And you got a little table there if you want to set your breakfast on it. And we'll give you a view from the opposite side. This is what the room looks like, 7582. So thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. And we'll see you on our next adventure.